Hi guys, good morning. Welcome to my new blog. Today I am in Kandhamal district of Tiangia village, Mother Mary's Grotto. Yeah, this is my joy and privilege to visit Mother Mary's Grotto here on the mountain top. I have climbed up this mountain and it takes only 5 minutes to reach over here. And behind me you can see the beautiful cave here. Mother Mary is right exactly inside the cave, and this location is on the mountain top. You can see the surroundings here. Yeah, surrounded by the mountains, huge rocks, and at the center of this grotto you can see a jackfruit tree. Just behind me is a jackfruit tree. If you are in and around Kandhamal district, please have a visit to this place. It's an worthy visiting place. People across the country, they pay a visit to this place for praying and meditation. You can also have a visit to this place and you can pray over here. Yeah, once in a year on 11th of February 11, every year, the people of this village, they have festivals like Mother Mary's celebrations, and there would be a huge gathering on this mountain top, praising and worshipping, and also songs and dances, all kinds of festive activities they used to hold. And it's my joy and privilege once again to come this place and to have a visit of this place. Really is very glad to have and glad to reach over here. This is the village. There's a BSNL network just beneath this Roman Catholic Church. Beautiful location, good for meditation. Those who love meditation, they can climb up to this mountain top. It takes 5 minutes to climb up this mountain. So please like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.